Hey guys, Sports105 here, and sorry I didn't upload the how to make the Savini Jason video yesterday. I wasn't able to upload it because I had family come over. But anyway, I hope that's okay with you. At least you get the video, yeah. So I'm gonna be uploading it today, and I'm not gonna take up much time. So hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace. Here, and today I'm going to show you how to make the Friday the 13th Savini Jason mask. Now the last time you saw it, it wasn't this beat up, but if you kind of think about it, it makes it look better, just a little bit, you have to admit. So let's get down to business. So first you will need a Jason mask, of course. But it needs to be plain. It needs to have nothing on it. It needs to be full white. Alright. The second thing you do is get some paint. I would get black and red. And for the red, you want to like make the triangle up here. But before you do that, get like some scissors and then just cut like some scars into the mask to make it look more beat up. And then you draw the triangle like that. With the black, you just draw it on the mask, of course. And the third thing is, if you want this, if you don't want to do, actually, step 3, cut like some holes. See, I cut off this part right here, cut off like a big part right here in the bottom right, and add like some, you know, cuts and stuff. Look at this big old cut all the way to the eye. Good scratch. Now the fourth thing you might want to do, you don't have to do it, but I did it. So if you turn it around, you can see here's some cloth covering the eye holes. But if I put on the mask, I can actually see through it. I forgot what kind of it's like a t-shirt, but it has to be one where you can like see through it if you want to put it there. Otherwise it's just useless. So get some clothing, like cut a part of it that's some clothes that you wouldn't need. Just cut it and then put it over the eyes, and like use tape or glue. I used tape because the glue did not work. And make sure the tape is tightened up so it never comes off. And make sure you can see right through it. I know you can't see through the camera, but I can definitely see through it. So there's the tutorial on how to make the Savini Jason mask. Hope you guys enjoyed the video, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye-bye.